Well, pharmacy honest review. So in this video, I'm going to give you a straightforward and honest review. So Well Pharmacy is a UK-based chain of community pharmacies offering a prescription services, over the counter medication and health consultation with over 760 branches nationwide. They aim to provide accessible healthcare services to local communities. And here are the props of this website. It comes with a numerous location where pharmacy is easy accessible to many UK residents, and also offer a range of services including prescription, fulfillment, healthcare and consultation. And here's the downside of this website. Some customer report inconsistent experience with store staff across different branches, and also occasional reports of longer than expected wait times for prescription and services. Some users have experienced challenges with the online prescription service, including delay and communication issues. And here's the final verdict about this website. Well Pharmacy offer a broad range of healthcare services with the advantages of numerous physical location and an online platform. While any customers have positive experience, there are occasional reports of service inconsistencies and delay. It is advisable to consider both in-person and online review of your local branch to gauge the quality of service you might expect.